Let's answer this problem from one of our followers. So how to work this, RJ? Thank you. Keep up the good work. Okay, so here is the problem. I put choices. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So a man traveled 61 kilometers in 9 hours. He traveled on foot at 4 kilometers per hour at a certain distance and on bike at 9 kilometers per hour. How far did he travel on foot? So this motion problem or distance rate time problem. So the formula for distance is equal to rate times time, rate or speed. Okay? So to solve this, I will construct a table. So a man traveled 61 kilometers in 9 hours. He traveled on foot. So first column, I will put foot, traveled on foot and by. The other is on bike. On foot and on bike. So this will be our first column. Second column will be the rate. And then we have the time. And then the distance. Okay? So let's construct a table. Okay. So the unit for the rate is in kph. For time is in hour. And then for distance, the unit is in kilometers. So given he traveled on foot at 4 kilometers per hour at a certain distance. So 4 kph is the rate on foot. So put 4 here. And on bike at 9 kilometers per hour. So the rate on bike is 9 kilometers per hour. The question is how far? How far? So that means we are looking for the distance. Did he travel on foot? So we want to find the distance he traveled on foot. So I will just put x or you can put any variable. So let x be the distance traveled on foot. So we know that the total, a man traveled 61 kilometers in 9 hours. So the total distance he traveled on foot and on bike is 61. So the expression for the distance on bike will be just subtract x to 61. Okay, so we have 61 minus x. And then for the time, since we now have given for rate and distance, we can solve the expression for time. So formula is distance equals rate times time. So divide both sides of the equation by r. Cancel this. The expression for time is equal to d over r. So just divide the distance by the rate to get the time. Okay, so we have for the on foot, so the total time is x divided by the rate, so x over 4. And then the time on bike is the distance 61 minus x divided by the rate 9. And we know the total time of the man is 9 hours. A man traveled 61 kilometers in 9 hours. So the total of this is 9. So therefore, our working equation will be just add this traveled on foot and then the time for bike, equate that to the total 9. So our working equation is x over 4 plus 61 minus x over 9 equals 9. Then just solve for x. So the value of x is the distance traveled on foot. Okay? So to do that, since we have denominator, we get rid of the denominator. We multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD of 4 and 9. That is the product, which is 36. Multiply both sides by 36 and then distribute. 36 divided by 4, that will be 9 times x. So we have 9x. Copy the sign plus 36 times 61 minus x over 9. So we divide first 36 divided by 9. That is 4. And then multiply to the numerator 61 minus x equals 9 times 36. Okay, so distribute this, the positive 4. So we have 9x plus 4 times 61. So we have 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. And then positive 4 times negative x. So we have negative 4x. Negative 4x equals, multiply this, 9 times 6, we have 54. Carry 5, 9 times 3 is 27 plus 5. So we have 32. Now combine like terms. So combine this 9x minus 4x. That will be 5x. equals, we can combine the 244 and 324 by subtracting 244, subtract 244 to both sides. So this will cancel out. 4 minus 4, that is 0. So this will be 12, this will be 2. So 12 minus 4, we have 8. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. So last step, divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to 80 divided by 5. That is equal to 16 kilometers. Therefore, the man traveled 16 kilometers on foot. And then on bike, just subtract the 61 minus 16. That will be 45. So therefore, the correct answer is letter C. The man traveled 16 kilometers on foot. So that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you have math question, just send me a message, GTR Math Tutorial, or in Messenger, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye and God bless.